Hello guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, here are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Acer monitor no signal orange light. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering how to exactly fix your Acer monitor if you're getting that no signal or orange light issue here. Well, there are a few things that you can do. So first things first is you may want to check your cable. Now the most common issue here for this specific error is in this case loose or disconnected cable. So what you need to do is you want to unplug your cable that you have on the back here, and you want to make sure that it's fully or really plugged in there. Like you don't see any exposed metal parts on the connector, and also you need to do the same thing on the other end, which in this case on your PC or in whatever device they're using. Now, from then on, if you're using a VGA cable and still see this no signal message, try using an HDMI cable instead, or if for example, a display port is available, you may want to try using it. Now, also, talking about cables here and connections, you may want to try using a different cable just in case. So, in this case, you use a different cable, like for example, if you're using HDMI cable, try using a display port, or entirely change the cord that you're using. So, in this case, maybe use a new HDMI cable as well and see if that works. And also, another thing that you may want to do here is you may want to test your monitor here as well on other devices. Like for example, you have tried this on your PC. Maybe try connecting this to your laptop and see if the actual monitor is the problem here. Now sometimes the problem is from your PC, especially if there are any loose connections inside the PC. Like for example, a loose RAM. Sometimes your PC will not show any display if the RAM is actually loose. So yeah, so you may want to test this on other devices first. Now, also, you may want to basically check for any defects on your PC itself. Like you're using PC, maybe try using a different port on your PC and see if that actually helps. Now, sometimes defective ports can be the problem here, so checking or just making sure that the port is not the problem can actually really help. Now, in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to App. Thank you for watching.